Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall your Brave VPN, especially on mobile. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up your Play Store or App Store, okay, as you would need to unsubscribe to Brave VPN first, okay? So go ahead and go to the top right, tap on your profile, and then tap on Payments and Subscription right here, okay? Now go ahead and tap on Subscriptions. Same goes to iOS. Now just tap on Brave. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, you got to tap on Cancel Subscription right here. Okay? So just tap on it. You got to select the reason why you wanted to cancel, and then just tap on Cancel Subscription, and you're good to go. And once that's done, go ahead and open up your Brave browser, tap on the three dots, and check your Brave VPN if it's still enabled. If it's still enabled, just tick on it to disable it. Tap on Disable right here, and you should be good to go. And if you want to as well, you can just go ahead and tap and hold into Brave, hit on uninstall or delete if you're using iOS, okay? And just reinstall it when needed, okay? But again, using your Play Store and App Store. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.